The next tool we will talk about is our concrete cutting tool. So we have here our plate that you can adjust the cutting depth anywhere up to 1 inch and 1/16. And it's based on the Metabo grinder, very heavy duty, reliable tool, and this special shroud system. So you can take this shroud that attaches to a guide to make a straight cut, but you can also take the tool with the shroud out of this guide rail to make some free cuts, free-handed cuts. So we're going to demonstrate here how the tool works, and we'll also demonstrate the quality of the dust extraction. So again, the tool is connected to the same vacuum, and the vacuum will turn on automatically as we turn the tool on. Now look what happens when we take the hose off. So that shows you the quality of the dust extraction. And the reason why it's so important is because OSHA released a new regulation that now we have to collect dust. The regulation enters in effect in June, and in June all the contractors will have to comply, otherwise they will be fined.